Hello everybody, my name is Yuriy and I'm CTO at company AcuPower, and today I want to show you new feature of Acumatica reports, which is email notifications on each report. As you can see on 24R1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. In 25R1 we have 5 tabs. So let's say we see this Daily Sales Profitability Report, and let's say I want to email that report regularly. So I'm opening, click here on schedule report. This report is opened. Activity type, it can be email or it can be system email. Then I can give some description, for example, daily sales profitability. And I can select from whom it will be sent. For example, here I have only one user, and who will receive it. Let's say I want that being received by Michael Andrews, and let's say I want to add CC to somebody, but now I'm not going to do that. And subject, I want to make personal subject, so I click here on this magnifying glass, and I can say display name, select, please check. So it adds a bit of personalization, and here I can say hi. Again, I click on insert data field. Again, display name, select, please check this report, and here I can add signature, email signature specific to this company. Then here we can see in what report we want to send. We can send this report as Excel, HTML or PDF, and we can say, for example, I want that Matthew Andrews pay specific attention to some customer because that is, for example, VIP customer. So then this report will be filtered by only this customer. Yeah. And let's say we want him to be able to do some Excel manipulations. So here you go. Yeah, we have Daily Sales Profitability Report generated, and we can send it by business events or we can send it by schedule. We don't have any schedule for this. So we can say schedule daily, every day, every hour at this time. And I click on save. It needs to have some information. So customer reported. Here we want to say when we're going to start at this time. Again, save and close. So basically every day this report, Daily Sales Profitability Report, filtered by customer A customer, will be sent to Matthew Andrews by Acumatica. And you can have this, let me refresh, and you can have this being sent every day. And if you have report template, right now I didn't create any one, but if you have report template, you may have this report sent every day. Let me know in the comments how cool it is, and there are more new features in Acumatica, so hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.